Able is a lightweight, agnostic data collection accelerator used to quickly identify faults in a line and provide root cause analysis. Able operates between the control layer and the MES, EMI, or ERP layer. It takes data from the control architecture and runs it through a logic engine to produce data that you can actually use, which will help accelerate your digital transformation journey. PLCs by default have little to no standardization, different programming techniques, and methods for alarming. As such, there has to be some transformation of data and logic performed in order to make it consumable by other systems. That's the solution our technology provides. As you know, it can be costly if your production line goes down. So let's take a closer look at how Able can help you minimize downtime. Able is a no-code platform that's cloud-based and easy to configure. Here's how it works. Able comes equipped with pre-configured templates for different machine types and vendors, so we can get you up and running in no time at all. Production lines are modeled by dragging assets into the canvas area and creating relationships between them. Data points can be mapped so that our logic engine can produce counts and other data streams for your MES. Conditions can easily be set up to indicate which machines are running, blocked, starved, or at fault. Able can also handle production counts, defects, and reject branches for comprehensive data collection. And Able is smart. It consumes countless amounts of disparate data and learns which faults are recurring. Then it sends the reason codes into your MES system so you can make more informed decisions. Now, let's look at one of the most powerful and unique features Able has to offer: root cause analysis. You'll have a real-time visual representation of your production lines with an accurate picture of relative machine contribution. When a machine is at fault, it turns red. The machines down the line turn yellow, indicating they're starved. The machines up the line display orange, indicating they're blocked. And these arrows link the machines together so that when a machine faults and blocks the next machine, it transports the root cause through the line flow, ultimately letting you know the state of the line and the root cause. Now you can resolve issues quickly and keep production moving. Lastly is the ability to replay events using the DNA view. Here you can view past events spread across a timeline for any date range. Accurately monitor your line's performance over time and diagnose problems. Simply pause and select an item to see more details. Want to share this view with a coworker or manager? No problem. Easily copy or email a link with just a couple of clicks. As you can see, Able allows you to easily identify faults in your production lines and quickly determine the root cause. Are you ready to accelerate your manufacturing performance? Contact us today for a one-on-one personalized demonstration.